Welcome, my dear students of class 8A and 8B. Welcome to my history and civics class. You know, in my previous classes I discussed about the concept of Renaissance, the age of Renaissance, contributions of Renaissance scholars. Now I am going to discuss about some points which I could not explain during my previous class. Now I am going to explain it. First, impacts of the Renaissance. Impacts of the Renaissance. Some impacts already I have discussed in my previous class. Rest of it now I am going to discuss. Second point, rationalism. This point also I clarified, but I think it should be clarified more effectively for your better understanding. Point number 3, humanism. Point number 4, socialism. And 5, mechanism. So these are the 5 points under which today's discussion I am going to start. Number 1, impacts of the Renaissance. Impacts of the Renaissance means the Renaissance age left certain impacts in the society. People of different groups, they receive knowledge from the Renaissance scholars by reading books. Books have become an important part of knowledge since there was no book available earlier. No book was available earlier. But after the invention of the printing press, books became available throughout Europe. The books which are very much expensive, now it came to be a part of education. People purchased it at a very low price because in place of manual handwritten works or manuscripts, printing press started working, publishing books, many numbers. Naturally, people now became educated by reading books. People started reading books which were written by different, Renaissance scholars. By reading books, people started asking questions and they started evaluating the whole value and norms of the society. The value and norms which were followed by the Catholic Church, now they began to ask questions. Now they began to demand clarification from church. So the blind beliefs of the people now gone, and instead of it a new outlook formed among their minds with the newly introduced concept rationalism. The concept rationalism and its requirement helped the people to make a number of questions. Naturally, it brought about a remarkable change in the entire system of the society, in the entire system of different countries of Europe. People now started believing that every activity had some reasons. They started believing that everything has a reason, and everybody has to think deeply with reasonable causes so that they must not accept anything blindly. The wrong notion which was taught by the Catholic Church once, they rejected it. They not only rejected the old notions of church but also rejected the authority of the church. During Renaissance age, many Italian scholars, they contributed a lot. They wrote many books which helped the people to learn unknown things. One by one, people acknowledged the views of different Renaissance writers like Dante, Petrarco, Boccaccio, Machiavelli, and so on. There increased the desire for knowledge among the people during medieval period. The concept which was the concept of the society during medieval period revolved around the religion. People during medieval people were taught to think for their God. They were asked to concentrate to their gods. God means the head of the church, the authority of the church. But the Renaissance thinkers, they changed their old beliefs. They got it done with a view to give importance to a new concept, humanism, because they were humanists. As a result of it, they shifted their focus from godly affairs to human affairs. So humans now became able to study new things. It gave a birth of a new concept, humanism. Human beings realized that they would have to do work with positive attitude for each and every one, because they are dependent on each other. They would have to work collectively, so that they must do something better for the society, for the entire parts of the world. That wave of awakening encouraged human beings to read more and more books. As a result, there came a remarkable development in the field of paintings, architecture, art, literature. A number of distinguished people were born to recognize themselves to be skillful. As a result, it gave a birth of a number of distinguished people like Michelangelo, like Leonardo da Vinci, Dante, and Raphael. They created the great masterpieces during their time. In the 16th century, there came a growth and development in the society in the field of science and technology. The discoveries of astronomers like Nicholas, Copernicus, Galileo, Sir Isaac Newton, gave a birth of new scientific concepts, which also helped the people to learn more and more unknown things. As a result, people came to know that the earth, which believed once they were taught the earth was the center of the universe, they opposed it. These discoveries challenged the traditional beliefs and disintegrated the old age, gave a birth of a new age, new era, new society, which inculcated modern outlook among the people. The invention of a number of instruments one of the most important instruments which was invented by Galileo, it was telescope. With the help of its telescope, astronomers were able to go far and wide, the unknown world through sea route. As a result of it, the sea route to our country also was discovered. There came a rapid growth and development in the field of trade and commerce. People were infused with the spirit of inquiry. Introduction of gunpowder by the Arabs also brought a remarkable change in using guns. It became useful for handguns. And as soon as these gunpowder were discovered by the Arabs, the old bows, spears, and long bows, crossbows, which were used by the old people, these all completely disappeared from the society, And instead of it, they started using gunpowder for their handguns. The concept of feudal lords also was broken. The new concept helped them to ask to new unknown things. This led to the rise of a modern nation. Modern nation, my dear students. And next one, socialism. The concept of socialism. People for the first time came to know that they all were human beings. They would have to do something better for the society, where they should live peacefully, anonymously. They must have to do for each other, since they would have to live collectively in the society for better improvement, for better growth, better development. Each and every person of the society should be more and more sincere and alert, careful in shouldering their duties and responsibilities. To read what was needed, what was required, their education, their knowledge. They started reading books, received knowledge by reading books, gain confidence on being inspired by the ideals of the Renaissance scholars and writers. As a result of it, a new concept was formed, the concept of socialism. The concept of mechanism, already I discussed that with the invention of a number of instruments, there came a remarkable change in the entire system because of scientific development. Scientific development, telescope was discovered by Galileo, which helped the people to go abroad for establishing trading relations with different countries of the world up to this, my dear students. Thank you.